Hey creators, welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. In today's quick tutorial, we're creating a realistic snowfall effect in Adobe After Effects using the built-in CC Snowfall. Step 1. Open a new comp and add your footage or background image. Step 2. Go to Layer and New a Solid, create a black solid. This will hold our snow. Step 3. With the solid selected, go to Effects and Presets, search for CC Snowfall, and apply it. Instantly, snow begins to fall. Now let's adjust the settings. Increase the amount to make the snow heavier. Lower the size for a more realistic look. Adjust speed and scene depth to simulate distance. Then set the solid's blending mode to screen so the black disappears and snow appears naturally over your footage. You can even duplicate the effect with different settings to layer in background and foreground snow. And that's it, a cozy winter effect in just a few steps. Want to go even further? Combine this with an AI-generated winter scene for cinematic results. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to NeoDesign Lab, and let me know what effect we should cover next.